Hey guys, welcome to today's Ask Ellenpro episode. I haven't done videos for quite a bit because I'm busy this week in Malaysia doing this speaking tour. I was in Kuala Lumpur on the first day and the Kuching on the second day, and now I'm in the beautiful Kota Kinabalu today and yesterday and today. So today is going to be my last speech in Malaysia, and it has been really fun. I met because I had the Life Academy, who is the organizer of the event. They're local, so they took me around to get really nice food. I got really nice laksa in Kuching, and they say it's the most famous and most delicious laksa in Malaysia. So I had that, and if it wasn't them who took me there, I wouldn't have eat that. So it was really great. And although I think I'm losing a little bit of voice because of speaking for 3 days in straight, and it's been really tiring because the schedule is like, okay, we landed at new city, and then only rest for like few hours, and then at the evening go to do the talk, and then after the talk is about time to sleep, and then the next morning went to just go to grab a quick bite, and then just head to the airport, and then repeat that. So basically in the morning we're flying, and then in the evenings and I start speaking, and then just repeat that for the whole week. So imagine it's really tiring, but it's okay to do it once in a while, because this is the only opportunity, not the only one, but it's a rare opportunity that I get to meet people in Malaysia and then talk to more people about how I built my online business from 600 to $1 million. So it was good. See, there's a little boat there. And so I'm at the waterfront of Kota Kinabalu. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the topic. I got someone ask me about, okay, how do you tell the quality of the vendor if you cannot visit them in person? So there's a few things you could do if you actually cannot visit them in person, but the only way to guarantee everything is really just to go in person, or have someone to inspect, or have someone else to do it, to check the factory in person. But if you absolutely cannot go, because I understand there's a cost, like airfare cost and hotel cost, then all you can do is that just go to Baidu at Baidu, because that's the China Google, and check out the reviews and gather information about their company, or you could Google it as well. But the only thing that you can be reliable would be just Alibaba's reviews, and because there are some like stars and reviews numbers on that. That's the only way you could tell. Or just order like a few units to see the quality of it, and then start ordering a bulk after you inspect the quality of those few units you order at first. So that's the only way. Okay, so if you have any more questions for me, want me to cover it, just comment below, and I will make them into a new video and broadcast to you guys. And make sure you follow me on YouTube or Facebook, so you'll get future update. And also, if you missed out the chance to attend my seminars in Malaysia, that's okay. I got an online version, and it's free. Yeah, it costs money to attend this physical one in Malaysia. So I have this free webinar where I teach people how I build online business successfully with $600. That website is ellenpro.com/retraining. Okay, so I'll see you in the next episode.